Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new as always, welcome. I forgot what to say. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification button so that you can be notified whenever I post. Today I'll be giving you this beautiful look for Valentine's Day. Love is in the air, and I'm here to show it, baby, because I love this look that I achieved. So if you would like to see how I got this, stay tuned. And without further ado, here's the video. Thank you for continuing to watch. As always, we're going to start off with my eyebrows already done. We're going to prime my eyelids with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of it. If it want to come out. Okay. And then I'm just going to dab it on just a little. And just work this in. Next, I'm going to let it dry for like 2 seconds so it get a little bit tacky. That way it'll absorb more of the makeup and make it more vibrant. Next, I'm going to use my Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case. I'm going to be using the color Cranberry today. And I'm going to use my favorite brush, if I can find it. I use this brush every day, and I don't understand why. Every day I gotta look for it. The M506 brush to apply this, and what I always do before I apply any kind of shadow, I use a brush cleaner. I just brush it off. Even if it's clean, I still brush it off. Just out of habit. Not really sure. But like I said, I'm going to take that cranberry color, and I'm just going to start to apply in my crease. You see how vibrant that is? Oh. Hello, gorgeous. And don't worry about that. We're going to clean it up. What I'm going to do now is take that same concealer that I used to prime my eyes, and then just do a little fake cut crease. Just a little bit in the middle. We just want it a little bit brighter. I'm going to use the same color, but we just want a tad bit brighter so that you really can see it. Just take a little bit of that cranberry and then just dab it around it. I think I'm going to use a white. Yeah, just put a little white in there. This is not Maybelline, a L'Oreal palette. And I'm just gonna use this white. Just put a little bit on it. I'm gonna use my small shadow blender brush from the Crayon Case. Ooh, I like that. Hi. 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 Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, I like that. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. So I decided to do my lashes and eyeliner off camera because I didn't record it right. And here it is. Beautiful lashes. Next I'm going to use Wet n Wild Matte Face Primer photo finish. I'm just going to do a little bit of color corrector. I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. Orange. And I'm just going to put a little bit up under my eyes because they're a little dark. Blend it in. I'm going to dab and swipe. I'm going to be using Maybelline's Fit Me and Matte and Poreless. I'm going to be using the color 360. Oh, okay, 360, which is Mocha, and then 362, which is Truffle. Okay. Oh, I couldn't even do it right. That's cool though. That's cool though. I'm gonna take my Real Technique stippling brush. Just not right. So then I go in with a beauty blender. I actually got two. I got this black one. I got a black beauty blender. It's so dirty. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna take Makeup Revolution's concealer in the color C11. I'm gonna use my baking powder, my Sasha and Buttercup. We're going to use Black Radiance contour palettes. We're going to use the contour. What I'm going to do is just take my Real Technique sculpting brush. I'm going to take my Real Techniques contour brush. I'm going in circles. That's in the way to accent. Next, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place highlighter and Nubia. When I say this is the bomb, this is the bomb. It's like a pressing powder. Ooh, ooh. I know you seen that go. I know you seen that go. I know. I cannot wear this to work. I only wear this when I'm going out because, baby, I need people to see, like, hey, what's that? Oh. And I like to put it right above my cheek. Oh, look at that. And then I use a setting brush. Real Technique setting brush. And blend that on in. Blend it on in. Are y'all see? Are y'all seeing this? Oh. Oh my Jesus. Oh my Lord. You seeing this hot? Right, come through. Come through, honey. Come through with the highlight. I'm sorry for blinding y'all, but oh, oh. Baby, you can't tell me this ain't it. Oh, let me highlight under my eyebrow. What I'm going to do is just take a small detail brush if I can get this brush. And I just take it off the top of it. Because, baby, that's just how. Yeah, oh, yeah, I don't know how it's like that. Oh, baby. Come through. Baby. This highlight is giving me like I don't know if y'all that's how y'all feel when y'all wear y'all makeup, but when I wear man, babe, that this how medicated. Ooh. Oh, let me. Now I'm going to use Morphe lip gloss and Freebird. This has become one of my favorites really quickly. And I didn't even like it when I first got it. It's so nude. And then I use I'm not Maybelline, Milani. A More Shine in the number 11, which is Charming. Looks like a pink, not a. I'll just do the middle. Bam! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I got something special planned for y'all, and I can't wait. I can't wait. But thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.